Brian, my stomach is growling. I'm starving.
It's not hunger, Patrick. Your stomach is just cleaning.
Cleaning?
Every 90 minutes, sweeping leftover gump down the line. Doctors call it the housekeeper wave.
But it sounds so loud when I'm hungry.
Nothing in there to muffle it. Empty drum, loud thump.
So I'm not starving?
Real hunger is different. Ghrelin, a hormone, quieter signal. Your growl is just maintenance. 2 doctors at Mayo figured this out in 1975. Patrick, your stomach's been janitorial all along.